Oh, it just burnt out.
It smells weird. Is this blizzard of October 2011?
Look, to the side of the street.
This is crazy. Oh my god, look at all the people. They're like doing something fun. Right there, there's like a whole like thing going on. Oh, they're stuck or something? Oh my god, it's time to move. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Are they playing or are they just like chilling?
So how long did you not have light for?
Like 30 seconds. And Mom was screaming.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Besides screaming?
She was like, ah, it's dark. Oh my god, look, it's crazy.
So the tree let it pop it down?
Yeah.
This is too much weight, it's breaking off.
Oh my god, look, that tree fell down.
I just want to go over here for a second. Is this the right way?
Yeah.
Where does she live at? I don't understand. You said in a library?
Yeah.
In front of me, what? No, he's coming off.
He's doing awful for a reason.
Oh my god.
ShopRite's definitely